Hey there! Welcome to another 50 Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a simple Tres Leches cake using our 50 Express Tres Leches cake mix. Put on your aprons and let's get started!
For this recipe, we'll need 1 pound of our 50 Express Tres Leches cake mix, 4 ounces of water, and 3.7 ounces of whole eggs. In a standard mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, add in the 1 pound of 50 Express Tres Leches cake mix and the eggs. Mix for 1 minute at medium speed. Add in the water and mix for 1 minute at low speed. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl and continue mixing for 6 minutes at medium speed. This is what the batter should look like. Pour batter into a quarter sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Spread batter evenly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the Tres Leches cake for 18 to 20 minutes or until the cake springs back to the touch. Today we're using Festejos Tres Leches mix and whipping top topping. To soak our Tres Leches cake, trim the edges of the cake and remove those pieces. With a pointy object, puncture holes throughout the whole cake. This will help absorb the milk evenly. Shake the carton before you begin pouring. For better control, use a measuring cup with a spout. Soak the Tres Leches cake to your liking. Now let's begin decorating. In a standard mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, whip up your favorite whip topping. I'm using whipping top. Using a small spatula, ice the top of your cake. Add a border using your favorite tip. And now it's ready to enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Try these products yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50 Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time!